I've got drummers only, and for the marinade, I let it set for 1 to 3 days with this combination. Shoyu or soy sauce, and mirin, which is sweet rice cooking wine. In any of your marinades, you need acid. Rice wine vinegar is what we're using for that. Ginger and garlic, best buddies. They like to go everywhere together. And then a little or a lot of wasabi. Outdoors, we slow smoke them at 325 for a full-on hour. Indoors, we go up 100 degrees and we cook them at 425 until the skins are very tight and they're super crispy. I started with garlic and butter, just like all great wing sauces, right? Then we're going to add garlic's best friend in anything Asian, ginger. Now we're gonna make this a sweet and super spicy sauce by adding in a couple tablespoons of raw sugar, turbinado sugar. So then we're going to add in our smoked shoyu, about a half a cup, and about a cup of our mirin. Now when it comes to the heat, I love gochujang, or this fermented chili paste, or spicier, and everybody can get this, sambal oelek. Oh, it's so good. So let this simmer gently while the wings are finishing up in the oven. When it gets nice and thick and coats the back of a spoon, you're done, turn it off. These are the wings when they come out of the oven, just with the marinade. There's nothing, no sauce on this. That's just the leftover marinade. That's the color you want. And you want the skin to be nice and tight and crispy. No frying, just roasted in the high oven. Then we're going to take the extra sauce with the garlic and ginger. Ah, ridiculous! I know. Pile that on the plate. And you top that with green onions and with sesame seeds.